How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Hbar update. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly why it can't fail this bullish recovery. So we found a level of support that I was one of the earliest to mark out over here. And while it was still maintaining a support, which we currently see, it's going to keep attempting to recover what was previously the neckline of a macro bullish double bottom. And many months were spent above this neckline, keeping the bullish target valid. So we would have actually seen continuation to 52 cent had this key area held as support. Unfortunately though, even though we've created a base down over here, there have been many attempts at recovering this 20 to 21 cent key level. Remember, it must be flipped into support to keep those bullish targets valid. Unfortunately, as it was lost, those targets are no longer valid. I can't have a bullish bias that a move up to 52 cent is going to sustain while it's under 20 cent, because I was only given that bias in the first place once it was broken. So to keep that bias, it must hold a support. We had the 200 daily moving average taking an average of a majority of the year hovering above that key level support, showing the importance of holding this for bullish continuation. Unfortunately, that was lost. And in this area now, we've seen multiple failures at recovering this key level. So it is truly resistance. Technically speaking, with all the bearish crosses and these failed bullish recoveries, the primary path is lower. But if I were to go off of the lowest point of our range to that high, we can see that there's a key level between 13 and 15 cent. So while this 13 to 15 cent area still holds, I still believe that there are opportunities to attempt to at least take out 20 to 21 cent. We've seen the attempts, they just keep failing. But while this still holds, it's going to keep attempting. Whether it keeps failing, who knows? It can keep failing and eventually lose this. But as it's still support, as this area still holds, as the price is still above this area, it still has the opportunity to recover. With all the bearish signals, with all the failed bullish tries, it still has the opportunity to go to 52 cent while 13 to 15 cent holds. But we're only going to pretty much carry on that process once this area breaks. So over the following days and coming weeks, need to see 20 to 21 recovered. Once that's support, we're onwards and upwards to those new highs. That's it from me today. Couldn't be more simple than that. Hold 13 to 15 cent and 52 cent will happen, but there needs to be a break of 20 cent to initiate, well, act as a catalyst towards there essentially. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to get educated, use the links down below. I've got 30% discount